This Burst Sonic toothbrush was developed to keep your mouth clean, but you might be wondering how to return the favor and keep your toothbrush clean too. The first and most important thing you can do is stick to our subscription plan where you get a brand new brush head in the mail every 90 days. 3 months is the dental industry standard for replacing those toothbrush bristles for 2 main reasons. The fibers of the brush head can wear down and even change shape depending on how hard you brush. It's important for those tapered bristles to be able to get in and around areas that food and germs like to hide. Speaking of germs, even though our bristles are infused with a charcoal nanoparticle, which helps keep them cleaner, those germs love to congregate in dark, moist places, and you definitely don't want to encourage bacteria growth on something that's going back in your mouth. Each time you use your brush, we recommend rinsing it off well with warm water and then letting it air dry. Toothpaste, saliva, and even certain types of minerals in your water can build up over time, leaving a nasty film. Whenever you notice a hard water stain or a buildup of gunk, simply wipe down your brush handle with some rubbing alcohol or a baby wipe, rinse with water, and allow it to air dry. For little crevices or a deeper clean, you can actually use another toothbrush to scrub into these tiny areas. Also note that you're not required to leave your brush in its charging stand. Leaving it somewhere else, like in a cabinet, will naturally keep it dry and clean. If you choose to keep it out all the time, make sure your brush is dry before returning it to its base, and try to prevent water from splashing and pooling up. Each time your new brush head arrives in the mail, clean thoroughly where it attaches to the handle. Keeping this section buildup free is an important part of your electric toothbrush care, and following all of these tips will extend the life of your brush and keep it looking great.